Hello students, today we will cover what are the Java fundamentals in Java programming subject. So today we will cover all the introduction part of our Java language. So here what is meant by Java? So Java is a programming language and a platform which is a high level, robust, object oriented and a secure programming language. So it was developed by Sun Microsystems, which is now subsidiary of the Oracle. It was developed in year 1995. The father of Java is James Gosling, and before Java it was named as Oak. So since Oak was already a registered company, so James Gosling has and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. These are the different editions of our Java programming language. There are three editions in Java programming. So first is Java SE, that is Java Standard Edition. So it is the Java programming platform which includes Java programming APIs such as java.lang, then java.io, java.net, java.util, java.sql, java.mat. These are the different programming APIs which are included in the Java Standard Edition, which include the core topics like OOPS, then strings, it contains exception handling, classes, multi-threading, input-output, streams, the networking and AWT. Then second edition is the Java Enterprise Edition. It is an enterprise platform that is mainly used to develop web and enterprises applications. It is used to build on top of Java SE platform, which includes the topics like servlets, JSP, and web services. Third edition of Java is called as Java Micro Edition, which is a micro platform that is dedicated to the mobile applications. Then we'll see what are the different applications of our Java programming language. So basically it is used in many devices, just like we can say the desktop applications such as the Acrobat Reader, Media Player, antiviruses. And if we consider the web applications, they are like irctc.co.in, then java tpoint.com. So these are the web applications which has been developed in by using Java programming language. As an enterprise application, it is being used in the banking applications. It is also used to develop mobile applications, then embedded system. The smart card are also developed by using the Java programming language, and basically it is also used in robotics as well as the development of various games. Then what are the different types of Java applications? So there are basically four types of Java applications that can be created using Java programming language. And in that application, first is standalone application. So standalone application, it is also known as desktop type of application, or it is also known as window based application. So we can say it is like the traditional software which we need to install in our machines. And the examples of different standalone applications are media player, then antiviruses. Uh, then we can say AWT and swings in Java are used for creating the standalone application. Then second category of the Java application is the web applications. So what is meant by web application? So an application that runs on the server side and creates a dynamic page, which is called as web application. So basically it is used to develop a web application which is consisting of like different collection of web pages. Simply we can say the websites are being developed by using the Java applications. Currently many technologies are used to develop the web applications in Java programming. Then third application of this Java programming is enterprise application. So we can say it is a distributed in nature, such as it is used in banking applications. Therefore it is used in enterprise, it is called as enterprise application. And last, the fourth application of the Java programming is mobile application. So an application which is created for mobile devices is called as mobile application. Currently we can say that Android operating system and Java ME are used for creating the mobile applications. So these are the different applications of Java programming language. Then we'll see what are the different features of the Java programming. So first and very important feature of Java, that is it is a very simple, that it is very simple, it is easy to learn, and its syntax is very simple, clean, and easy to understand. Therefore, it is said to be a very simple programming language. According to Sun Microsystem, Java language, it is a simple programming language because the syntax of this Java is based on C++. Okay, so after uh, learning of C++, we can easily learn Java programming also. The second feature of our Java programming is it is object oriented. So it is purely object oriented programming language, because without object creation we can't do anything in Java programming language. So it is said to be purely object oriented programming language. Everything in this Java is an object only. Okay, so what is meant by object oriented? So object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both the data and behavior. Now, what is meant by object-oriented programming? So, it is methodology which simplifies the software development and maintenance by using some rules of the object-oriented programming. Third feature of the Java programming is a platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it is different from other programming languages like C and C++, which are compiled into a platform specific machines, while Java is the right one and it can run anywhere. Okay, so we can say it is a platform independent because if we write code on any system and we can pick up that code and we can run that particular code on any any operating system platform. So it is said to be a platform independent programming language. What is meant by platform? Platform is nothing but it is a hardware or software environment in which a program runs. So there are two types of platforms are used, that is software based and hardware based. Then next feature of the Java programming is robust and secure. So we can say that Java programming is a very robust programming language. It is basically used to provide security to our programs, to our applications. We can say it is a virus free. It develops the virus free systems, as well as it uses basically in memory management function of the operating system. And then we can say it provides the automatic garbage collection which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of the objects which are not being used by a Java application anymore. Okay. Then we can use exception handling also by using this robust and secure feature of this Java programming. Next feature of this Java is the portable. It is a portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. Therefore, we can say that is a portable programming language. So it doesn't require any implementation. You can directly carry your code with you and you can run it on any platform. The next one is a distributed. Java is a distributed because it facilitates users to create the distributed applications in Java. This feature of Java makes us able to access the files by calling the methods from any machine on the internet. So it is called as a distributed programming language. The next and very important feature of this Java programming that it is a multi-threaded. So what is meant by thread? So thread is nothing but a process within a process, we can say. Simply it is like a separate program which execute concurrently while running the number of programs. So we can write Java programs which deals with the many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. Okay, and the main advantage of this multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. So this is a very important advantage of this multi-threading, and it also shares the common memory area, and these are also used in multimedia as well as web applications. Okay, the next feature of this Java programming language is the dynamic. It is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of the classes. Therefore, it is called as a dynamic language. It means the classes of the Java programs are loaded on demand